If you're tired of struggling with dull knives, you are not alone. Dull knives not only make everyday tasks much more difficult, they also make them more dangerous. But don't worry, today we're going to talk about the best ways to sharpen your knives at home, and you may be surprised at just how easy it is. Honing is helpful for maintaining the condition of your blade between sharpenings, and it's simple to do. Tip your knife at about a 15-degree angle and swipe the knife with consistent pressure from heel to tip along the rod, switching sides as you go. If honing isn't making much of a difference, you may need to try sharpening, actually removing some metal from the blade. The first option to consider is a pull-through sharpener, which can bring your dull edge back to life in no time. A pull-through sharpener is easy to use. Choose the correct angle for your blade, then place your knife straight up and down in the slot and pull it through with even pressure. Do this approximately 10 times in the coarse setting, then approximately 10 times in the fine setting. Just keep in mind that these are suitable for both Western and Asian style knives, but not for serrated. How about when your knife needs something more than one of these quick fixes? When it's time for some professional care, try a mail-in knife sharpening service like Knife Aid. This will ensure your knife gets the attention it needs to be restored like new. Keeping your knives nice and sharp is essential for a great experience in the kitchen, and it doesn't have to be daunting. Put these techniques and tools to use, and you'll easily keep your blades razor sharp and ready for any task. So grab your knife and get cooking.